Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can change billing address on your Loom platform, and it will be an step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our Loom platform. So if I want to change the billing, I just need to be click on this profile icon, and from that place I just need to be choose this billing options. Once I click over here, then I will get the options to change my billing address. You just need to be scroll over here, and here you will get the options if you add the billing here, but I did not yet connected my billing address, that's why I'm not able to see it here. But when you will add, you will get the see the options, and then you will get an option another that change your billing address, and you just need to be hit this edit button and you are allowed to change it as it you want. This is the easiest way. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.